New party trick from your son. Isn't that? Hey, Sam. I had to send that to you. It's the first time he's done it. He won't use his hand. Sam. Hey, look at me. Sam. Hello. We're having a little dinner. We're having a little dinner. This is Drewster. Hello. Say hello. Watching Cars, our favorite movie, of course. But you want to try this again, Sam? You want to try this again? This is so funny. Gotta watch this. I'm eating. Let me see if I can do it. Get my hand down there. Paul's traveling to Perth. There you go, Sam. Very cute. Wait, bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Having a little dinner tonight. But we're all done. Say bye-bye.